Everybody's doing a brand new dance now.
Locomotion? Really? Look at this water though. Looks like jello. I think my GoPro's on, so whatever you say. I shouldn't have told you. Now you're not going to be funny. That was stupid. How could I say that? I can't believe now he's going to remember that for the rest of his life.
I'm so stupid. I didn't even need to say that was my answer. All I had to do was wait, and now I look stupid.
Yeah, that wasn't like a personal attack.
Lola, I can't believe you ate 7 cheeseburgers.
So much better. Where are you from, brother?
Oh, I don't know. I forget my line.
You don't know where you're from?
What I thought was like this distant, like lake distance, was like just miles and miles and miles because it was just so big and there was nothing to compare it to from its size. Beautiful.
The board went under a little bit, and it like kind of flipped over.
Underwater, that means you gotta scoop back.
Oh, okay.
Better to be too far in the back than too far in the front.
Okay. Woo! I got up, but then I fell.
That's okay. Sometimes I see sea turtles out here.
Oh, really?
Maybe we'll see one, yeah.
forgot about the bruising on their rib cage.
You probably got that too. You got
I feel it from last time.
Go, go, go! Go, go, go! See. Nap time. Hey! Yeah, stand, stand, stand!
I just saw a turtle. Where'd he go? Okay, that's pretty cool. I didn't stand up, but it was fun. Take me anywhere, take me anywhere, anywhere away from you. Ugh, we're not gonna make it. Oh my gosh, what? Ah!